Here we are featuring our raw pine nickel gap shiplap. This is manufactured by Interfor out of Gilcrest, Oregon. We work directly with the mill to custom design this profile with the end user in mind. What this is going to be a tongue and groove with a perfect 1/8 inch nickel gap. So when installing, there's no need for spacers, and it's very user-friendly, carpenter-friendly, and can take various different paints, stains, or finishes. The core of this product is the raw fiber itself, which is extremely high quality. It's made using ponderosa pine and Engelmann spruce, which are 100% sustainable and natural growing trees in North America. Ponderosa pine and Engelmann spruce are great to work with. They're easy to cut, dimensionally stable, lightweight, easy to nail, and take a great coat of stain, whitewash, or paint. This is a high-grade number 2 pine, so with that you'll find small knots throughout. All knots are going to be what are known as sound and tight, and you'll have an extremely smooth face. Interfor uses one of the best planers in North America, which leaves an instantly detectable finish that's great for taking a coat of paint. It's a full 3/4 inches thick and comes in various lengths from 8 foot to 16 foot long. It is available in both a 1x6 and a 1x8. The 1x6 will have a 5-inch exposure, and the 1x8 will have a 6 3/4 inch exposure. 1x8 tends to be the most popular and is used in larger rooms like living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens, and is popular in hallways and ceilings. The 1x6 is just a tighter reveal, so it tends to get used in smaller areas like bathrooms, laundry rooms, mud rooms, and accent walls. This is actually also a reversible product, so our front face is going to have our 1/8 inch nickel gap, but then the back side is going to be a standard V-groove. What's nice about this is oftentimes when installation is occurring, sidewalls are going to be in a nickel gap and the ceilings will sometimes be in a V-groove. So having both profiles in one item is nice to have. The real beauty of this product is its versatility. It can be stained, it can be whitewashed, or it can be painted. So this gives the end user unlimited creativity to do whatever it is that they please. The other nice thing about this product is that it's real wood. So when you do go to paint this, it's going to have those natural characteristics like grain and texture that perfectly match an authentic old farmhouse or traditional home. We can talk all we want about the product, but the real proof is in the pudding. Over 6 million lineal feet was installed in 2017, and we've had nothing but positive feedback from homeowners, contractors, and builders. So there you have it. That's our raw pine nickel gap. It's great wood, great design, and great versatility.